Today, we're looking at BUR4 silicone-based curb flashing repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing problems are typically found at cant lines and corners. Let's look at a three-course method using APOC 581 Armor Flash. To start, always clean the surface. To prevent bleed-through, apply APOC 583 Armor Base and allow to fully cure prior to completing your repair. In windy conditions, pre-cut a piece of 483 polyester fabric. At the corners, cut angles to ensure the material can wrap and lay flat. And fold back one side. Using a brush or trowel, apply APOC 581 Armor Flash patch and sealant. Embed 483 polyester into APOC 581 Armor Flash. Fold back the second side of the 483 polyester fabric. Apply APOC 581 Armor Flash to the other half of your repair area. Embed 483 polyester into APOC 581 Armor Flash. Apply a top coat of APOC 581 Armor Flash, patch and sealant. Complete the additional three sides of the curb. Now your APOC BUR4 silicone-based curb flashing repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.